Every meeting ends the same way. Decisions get made, action items get assigned, and then nothing happens. The notes sit in a doc nobody reopens. Nobody manually creates the tasks. Nobody schedules the follow up. This is a problem every team has felt, and it's entirely avoidable because everything needed to fix it is already sitting right there in the transcript. It just needs an agent to actually act on it. This isn't a simple script, it needs reasoning. An agent has to read a messy conversational transcript, figure out who owns what, infer deadlines that were only mentioned casually, and decide what's a real action item versus just conversation. Then it has to actually go to do something about it. Create real tasks, schedule real events, write a real summary. That's exactly what a multi agent pipeline is good at. One agent reasons, another agent acts. The system has three agents. The transcript agent pulls the raw meeting text, either a local file or, in the real world, a Google Meet transcript saved automatically to Google Docs. That goes to the extractor agent, powered by Gemini, which turns messy conversation into structured JSON. Decisions, action items with owners and deadlines, and any further meetings mentioned. Finally, the distributor agent takes that structured data and creates real Google tasks, a real calendar event, and a clean recap doc. No copy pasting required. An orchestrator coordinates the whole handoff. Here's the dashboard. I'll paste in a real meeting transcript. As you can see, the doc of the real meeting transcript is already there. I'll just copy the doc ID and paste it in the dashboard. After selecting the doc ID, Google Doc ID feature, I'll paste the URL here and process meeting. It's fetching transcript, extracting with Gemini. Now Gemini in the backend will work through the entire transcript and process and extract the information actually needed. Then it will go on to create tasks and calendar events. And after that, it generates the recap doc. As you can see, the entire important summary and all the tasks and actions needed are given there. Now, if you move to the tasks bar, you can see all the tasks that was extracted from the meeting is being added to our Google Tasks already. And if you go to the calendar, you can see all the tasks and the important meetings are already set up in our calendar without us having to do a single work. As you can see, the meeting is scheduled here and here without me even doing any single work. Now, if we move back to the dashboard, we'll see we get a link of the recap document. When clicked on it, it takes us to the document that was created after the entire pipeline worked, and the document creates the summary of the original transcript with the details, the dates, the decision, and action items and upcoming meetings. You can also see the details of the previous document and the history of how many meetings are there, what actions were done, what tasks happened, and the recap document of every single project. I built this in Python using Google's Workspace APIs with Gemini via AI Studio for the reasoning step. For deployment, I used the anti-gravity CLI directly. I gave it a single instruction to deploy this folder to Cloud Run, and it handled the container build, caught a missing dependency on its own, fixed it, and verified the service was live, all with my explicit approval at each step. That approval gate matters. The publicly deployed service only exposes the stateless extraction endpoint. It has no access to my personal tasks or calendar. That requires my own OAuth consent, run locally. That's a deliberate security boundary, not a limitation. Meeting to action agent turns a meeting transcript into real, tracked outcomes automatically. It's a simple problem everyone has, solved the way agents are actually good at solving things. Reason, then act. Thank you for watching.